The most frequent question that I get. Pwede ba akong makulong kung hindi ako magbabayad ng utang? The quick answer is no. But there is a big but that we have to know. In the Philippines, our constitution says no person shall be imprisoned for non-payment of debt. So, kung utang lang, like personal loans, credit card loans, or pautang ni kumare or kumpare, walang kulong. But, here comes that but that we talked about. The most important thing is, you can still get into legal trouble in other ways. Number 1, if you issue a bouncing check. Ano po yun? A bouncing check is a negotiable instrument, or ito po ay isang papel or instrumento na ini-issue natin. Yun pala, walang laman yung account or yung bank account related or connected sa check na yon. Kasong kriminal po yon if alam po ninyo at the time na in-issue nyo yung check, alam nyo namang walang laman yung account na yon. Number 2, if may nagpahiram sa atin, pero nagpahiram lang sila sa atin dahil sa ating panloloko. In other words, fraud or estafa.